want to make banana bread. Obviously, I'm taking you along because I have something special to show you in this banana bread. I'm making it the healthy way, and with these ingredients, I want to show you. I want you to experience it. So just stay right there. Stay right there. Don't go anywhere, because the next clip you'll be seeing is the banana bread. Guys, okay, I'm in the process of making it. I'm trying to be fast. So I'm mashing my banana. Can you see it clearly? This is my banana. I'm mashing 2 bananas into this bowl. 2 small bananas though, because this is what I have. Then after that, I pour in 2 eggs. Hope you're seeing them clearly. 2 eggs. Beat that up, up, up. You know, we said we are going for the healthier option now. Now instead of sugar, guys, I'm going with honey. Coming. Release all your sweetness. That should be enough. We are eyeballing our ingredients, so I'm eyeballing them. So I wouldn't know the exact quantity, but then just come along with me. Follow me. I will try to beat this up. Don't mind that I'm using this. I have my wicks here, but then let's just use this to be easy. So guys, I'll add in my milk next. This is my liquid milk. Then I'll go in with my vegetable oil. Instead of using butter now, I'm using vegetable oil. I'm still eyeballing, but then I'm giving it a very good mix so everything can incorporate together. My wet ingredients are in. It's time to put in the star of the show, guys. This. Can you see it clearly? This is raw leaves. This is from raw leaves. And this lady does amazing stuff with natural food. So this is her oat flour. It's been a while I got this one. I'm just making use of them now. I got her oat flour, got her granola. You can see it. Got her walnuts. Got her cashew nuts, guys. And she's an amazing person. I'm using this oat flour. I'm using her oat flour. We are now bringing in the dry ingredients. As always, we are eyeballing. I need some oat flour. But then before I add that, let me just put in my baking powder. I got this little one from the market for 100 naira. Small salt. Now guys, the pan we are using, this is all these local pans. I had lots of local pans. Unfortunately, people borrowed them from me and never returned them. But then this is my parchment paper. Hope you can see it clearly. This is my parchment paper. It's time for topping. Using her granola for, hope you can see it clearly, her walnuts, her cashew nuts. So guys, here we have it. Our yummy banana bread. It's inside the oven right now, guys. Hope you can see it clearly. See the pants. These beautiful pants and foreign pants you can see here. They have openings by the side. That's why I can't even use them. But then I've got them 4 in 1. I don't know why they are just 3. I don't know, but it's so. But then this is why I can't use them. They have openings. Lots of things are packed here, so I can't just start bringing them out and showing you where the fault is. But then this is what I have. But then I'm using the local one. So with that, guys, our banana bread is in the oven. Actually waiting for it to bake. Guys, our banana bread is ready. The banana bread is finally ready. Can you see it from here? You should, right? It's ready. It's a lot of goodness in here, guys. It's a lot of goodness. I left it on the tabletop for a while, for a long time. And come have a bite.